How to expand a minus b raised by 5 using binomial expansion. So this is a general form of binomial expansion. A plus b raised by n equal to summation r from 0 to n combination r, a raised by n minus r, then x raised by r. So this is a general form of binomial expansion. So we are going to compare the bracket here and this bracket here and do substitution. So this is the first term, which is a, right? A represent a, and then second term x is minus b, so x equal to minus b, and then n, our n is for 5, n equal to 5. So we substitute everything in the formula here. So instead of a, this a and a the same thing, and then instead of x we have minus b raised by 5 equal to. So this summation, the summation will start from 0 up to n. That's from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is our n. So first is 5 combination r, which is 0, and then a raised by 5 minus 0. Then x is minus b raised by what, r, which is r equals 0. And then after 0 we move to 1 plus 5 combination 1, a raised by 5 minus 1 minus b raised by 1, plus 5 combination 2, a raised by 5 minus 2 minus b raised by 2, plus 5 combination 3, a raised by 5 minus 3 minus b raised by 3, plus 5 combination 4, a raised by 5 minus 4 minus b raised by 4, plus 5 combination 5, a raised by 5 minus 5 minus b raised by 5. As a decreases, b increases. That's the power. So we go a minus b raised by 5 is equal to 5 combination 0, a raised by 5 minus 0 is 5, times minus b raised by 0 is 1, plus 5 combination 1, a raised by 5 minus 1 is 4, a raised by 4, then minus b raised by 1, which is minus b, and then plus 5 combination 2, a raised by 5 minus 2, which is 3, b, minus b square is equal to b square, plus 5 combination 3, a raised by 5 minus 3, which is 2, minus b raised by 3, this, plus 5 combination 4, a raised by 5 minus 4, which is 1, b raised by 4 is what, b raised by 4, minus b raised by 4 is b raised by 4, plus 5 combination 5 minus b raised by 5. Okay, by Pascal triangle, the coefficients are, when we use Pascal triangle, we have this coefficient 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So substituting this in 5 combination 0, this is 5 combination 0, 5 combination 1, 5 combination 2, 5 combination 3, 5 combination 4, and then 5 combination 5. These are the coefficients. So a minus b raised by 5. So we are going to substitute this for the coefficients. So we have a minus b raised by 5, which is equal to 5 combination 0, 1, a raised by 5 times 1, plus 5 combination 2, 5 combination 1, which is what, 5. We have 5 here, then a raised by 4 minus b. And then 5 combination 2, which is 10, which is we have 10 here, and then a raised by 3 b square, plus 5 combination 3, which is also 10, times a square minus b cube, plus 5 combination 4, which is what, 5, and then a b raised by 4, plus 5 combination 5, which is 1, times minus b raised by 5. Okay, so we simplify this. 1 times a raised by 5 times 1, which is a raised by 5, minus 5 times everything here, which is minus 5a raised by 4b, plus 10 times a raised by 3b square, minus, because of this minus it will affect this, minus 10 a raised by 2 b raised by 3, and then plus 5ab raised by 4 minus b raised by 5. And lastly, we have a raised by 5 minus 5a raised by 4b, plus 10a raised by 3 b raised by 2 minus 10a raised by 2 b raised by 3, plus 5 a raised by ab raised by 4 minus b raised to power 5. So this is our expansion using binomial expansion. Thank you.